Prinect Inspection Control with PDF comparison offers pharmaceutical printers not one, but two functions for end-to-end inspection and documentation of quality throughout the print run. The first is automatic and objective inspection of the first OK sheet after setup, with the help of approved PDF data from prepress. The second is a comparison of every single print sheet with the digital reference during the production run. This reliably identifies both defects that result in an incorrect printing plate and printing errors that occur during the production run. These can then be corrected before they create serious problems. All deviations are evaluated and saved in the inspection report. The early warning system works with two high-resolution grayscale cameras and an illumination unit integrated directly into the coding unit. The cameras are fitted very close to the printing nip for continuous inspection of all passing print sheets, right up to the rear edge of the sheet. All this at full production speed and with exceptional inspection quality. A signal lamp lights up to indicate printing errors. Defective sheets are marked by a tab inserter, which makes them easy to identify and remove later. Defects are clearly displayed on the wall screen of the Prinect Press Center to enable rapid analysis. They are identified with the help of a digital reference sheet that is automatically created at the start of OK sheet production. Operation is user-friendly and is performed on the wall screen of the Prinect Press Center. At the same time, the printer loads the approved PDF reference file and the presetting data defined in prepress. This may include the inspection frame and inspection tolerances. The digital reference sheet then appears on the wall screen. The printer now is guided through the setup menu, which automatically indicates all the necessary steps. The first step is to confirm the inspection frame defined in prepress, in this case, the cutting contour. The printer sets a total of 4 search marks that help reliably align the camera image and the prepress PDF. The wall screen now displays all inspection areas and the relevant tolerance levels. The number of areas and the inspection quality for each can be defined individually in prepress, in line with the customer's requirements. In this example, the barcodes, logos, and text boxes with a red outline are inspected more precisely than the rest of the folding cartons. There are 5 tolerance levels to choose from. After setup, PDF inspection starts automatically. The digital OK sheet that has been scanned in is compared with the PDF from prepress, and the deviations are displayed on the wall screen. The printer is required to assess all deviations between the digital OK sheet and the PDF. In this example, a hickey has been identified and marked as a genuine defect. Tolerable deviations are accepted as OK with a green tick. The overview window in the bottom left-hand corner also shows the location of the defect on the sheet. Another defect is a letter that has been imaged incorrectly. If a conclusive assessment is not possible at first glance, deviations can also be enlarged for inspection purposes. The outcome in this case is that the print cannot be approved. The typical prepress defect means that new plates need to be imaged. Once all the defects have been evaluated and the inspection verification has been completed, the printer saves a comprehensive job-specific inspection report. Once the printer has eliminated all the errors, the sheet is compared with the PDF again. If there are no defects this time, good sheets production can start. Following successful setup, Prinect Inspection Control automatically scans in 24 consecutive sheets. These are used to produce the digital reference sheet for the production run. This sheet is the standard with which each subsequent printed sheet is compared. Prinect Inspection Control is fully integrated into the coating unit and has an impressive design that minimizes vibration. The use of blast air to support sheet travel keeps sheets under control, even at the maximum speed. This is the best way of ensuring consistently high inspection quality right to the rear edge of the sheet. An online link to the Prinect Press Center enables the scanned sheets to be displayed on the wall screen in real time. This is far superior to a manual process. It ensures end-to-end inspection and maximum reliability. Even the tiniest of printing and material defects are identified quickly and reliably and can be corrected during production. If the system identifies a defect, a signal lamp flashes, and the tab inserter integrated in the delivery automatically marks the start and end of the series of defective sheets. With successive defects, the tabs are inserted in sequence. Prinect Inspection Control displays the inspection results simultaneously on the wall screen of the Prinect Press Center and provides a large, clear view of the defects on the sheet. The printer sees straight away where in the production run defects occur. He immediately becomes aware of changes and accumulations of defects during production and can respond instantly before the problem grows, that is to say, becomes more expensive. In this example, the print contains a hickey that needs to be removed. The display can then be switched to the next largest defect with a click of the mouse. A direct comparison between the printed sheet and the reference sheet on the wall screen makes rapid evaluation easier. Here we can see quite clearly that a comma is missing in the running text. This may be the result of a small hole in the blanket. The printer, therefore, needs to stop the press and check the blanket. During the production run, the integrated reporting function automatically documents all detected defects. Once the entire run has been printed, the printer saves the report for the specific job. The whole run is thus documented from start to finish. Each inspection, therefore, delivers binding proof of quality. This is archived on the network and can be retrieved and printed out at any time from any computer. In addition to the job name, the report provides information on the user, date, time, and inspection settings. It also gives details of the inspection result. These details are not limited to the exact number of OK, not OK sheets and deviations. The precise locations of the deviations are also indicated, and they can be enlarged and compared individually with the reference. As you can see, Prinect Inspection Control enables you to inspect and document the entire production process. This is absolutely invaluable in discussions with customers and in finishing when the defective sheets need to be removed. Boost your print shop's productivity with Prinect Inspection Control, the inline sheet inspection system from Heidelberg. Prinect Inspection Control is the tailored quality control solution from Heidelberg for highly sensitive pharmaceutical printing. Prinect Inspection Control delivers maximum reliability during setup through verification with the PDF file from prepress and during the production run through 100% inline sheet inspection at maximum printing speed. What's more, all this is done by a single system. Automatic PDF verification following setup saves you up to 15 minutes per print job compared to visual inspection. All in all, this boosts the productivity of your press by up to 20%. This does not include the savings achieved through inline sheet inspection during production, which also reduces waste and, in turn, cuts costs. Expensive reprints and costs resulting from complaints become a thing of the past. As a result, Prinect Inspection Control normally pays for itself in just a few months. Prinect Inspection Control with PDF comparison, the inline early warning system for maximum production reliability from Heidelberg.